Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use masking in CapCut to create a time freezing effect. So first, just add your videos to CapCut like this and then split it into two. Split to where you want to start the time freezing effect. Click on split. Now go find the freeze option. Click on freeze. Okay, so make this freeze frame as overlay. Then align it to match the length of the clip like this. And then find mask. On the overlay, click on mask and select the horizontal. Now just rotate it like this. To have that time freezing effect, click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the final result. You can see on the right side is freezing and on the left side the car is still moving. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.